Look at that. We're getting there. What the fuck was that? Did it just shake? I don't know what just happened. Anyway, look at that shit. We're getting a nice fire. I've been just cooking it slowly. Fuck, I lost a bit of, I lost some mushroom. Bullshit, I did. I'm eating that fucker straight out the coals. I love mushrooms. I might see him down there. Nah, I'm telling you now. I'm getting it out. Where's the tongs at? Where's the tongs? Where's the tongs? Oh. There he is. Oh, Coley. That was so delicious. All right, check that shit out.